details within your contact page on your website, you're going to log into SchoolSpider, select your settings cog, change your school's contact details, and then you just change the information here for the address, the main contact. You can see they've got the SEN. Here is the Google map that has been embedded into the website. You can also add reception contact details, absence contact details, and you can also change your notification email address here. So if you click on this, you can input an email address that is going to get responses or notifications about everything within SchoolSpider. Once you've made your changes, just select the save or contact details up at the bottom here, and that's going to change the information on your website. Now, if you do have some contact information on your home page on your website, sometimes on the right hand side here, sometimes at the bottom, you may find that it won't automatically change. If that's the case, just give us a call or drop an email to your account manager and we can get our developers to change this for you.